Snowstorms don't just freeze the environment, they slow the body down, too. Cold temperatures reduce circulation and digestion. That's why fatigue, low mood, stiffness, and a heavy feeling in the stomach become so common. This isn't weakness. It's your body responding to cold stress. Food can bring instant relief when it's chosen wisely. Warm ginger and cinnamon water helps restore circulation and internal warmth. Soups and stews calm the nervous system and make digestion easier. Warm oats with milk provide steady energy and emotional comfort during dark winter days. Fennel and cumin after meals help prevent bloating and heaviness. Turmeric with black pepper supports immunity during cold exposure. During snowstorms, avoid cold drinks and raw foods. Choose warm, cooked, simple meals. Food is not just fuel. In winter, food is medicine. For personalized holistic nutrition guidance, visit www.junonatural.com.